Hello everyone, welcome to the session on Python for data science. In the previous sessions, you have already learned the basics of Python like variables, data types, functions, etc. In this sessions, we will be dealing with different data science aspects of Python and some libraries used in Python for data science applications. Now let's see what is Python. Python is an open source interpreted high-level language and provides a great approach for object-oriented programming. It is one of the best languages used by data scientists for various data science projects and applications. Python provides great functionality to deal with mathematics, statistics, and scientific functions. Why do we use Python for data science? It is because Python provides great libraries to deal with data science applications. One of the main reasons why Python is widely used in the scientific and research communities is because of its ease of use and simple syntax, which makes it easy to adapt for people who do not have an engineering background. It is also more suited for quick prototyping. According to engineers coming from academia and industry, deep learning frameworks available with Python APIs, in addition to the scientific packages, have made Python incredibly productive and versatile. There has been a lot of evolution in deep learning Python frameworks and it is rapidly upgrading. In terms of application areas, ML scientists prefer Python as well. When it comes to areas like building fraud detection algorithms and network security, developers are leaned towards Java, while applications like NLP and sentiment analysis, developers opted for Python because of its large collection of libraries that help to solve complex business problems easily, build strong system and data application. That's all about the introduction part. Thanks for watching.